Hello everyone, how are you all? Really, how are you? Put a hand at your chest, that's the heart chakra. Close your eyes and ask yourself, how am I? How do I feel? Reach down into your emotional self, into your soul self. How are you feeling? How are you feeling with everything that's going on at the moment? How are you dealing with it and coping with it? It's so important to really check in with ourselves as often as we can, really to highlight what's going on and how you are feeling, acknowledging it all. We're all doing our best at the moment. All of our stress levels are really heightened, aren't they? You'll be doing different things. And through this time, it's important that you try to be easy and gentle on yourself. Don't judge yourself if you feel stressed or you feel that you cannot cope or you feel really uneasy. Be gentle. Acknowledge all of these feelings. Try and help your emotional health as best you can. You might find that you're doing things which are very different to what you usually do and which aren't necessarily helping you, like comfort eating, sitting for too long a period of time, things that you wouldn't usually do on a normal day. So be aware of your emotional health and start doing those little things that you know will help. Move your body a little. If you can't walk outside, then have a walk in your own house or apartment. I've been doing a 3-mile walk workout, which I found on YouTube, and it's a little bit of movement, marching on the spot, a lot of movement of the arms, and it really makes you feel good because even if you're not walking outside for that long, you're walking inside and you're just getting that movement that you need. Again, be easy with yourself. Do as much as you can. Small steps. If you can't move a lot, a little bit at a time, increasing gradually. This time, my loves, is all about looking after ourselves. Looking after ourselves so that we can be there for others. And looking after ourselves because really that's the most we can do. This is a health thing going on, so you want to try and look after your health as best you can through this stressful time, through this heightened time, doing the little things that you used to do that you know made you feel good, finding a little joy in every day, being grateful for the little things, speaking to someone on the telephone, having a cup of tea, sitting and resting. Are you writing more? How about writing about your experiences and feelings during this time? What does this all mean for you? for you on an individual basis, and then move on to the collective basis around this experience. So with your hands still at your chest, still connected with that soul self, get comfortable and take a few moments really to connect and be with yourself, be with all of your feelings, acknowledge everything, and as before, acknowledge, and if things are too much, let them go for later. Too many thoughts coming in, too many feelings. Try to focus on one at a time. And if it's too much, focus on your breathing. Come to a quiet place within you. And then allow those thoughts in again, gently, one at a time. Okay, take a few moments. And then we'll gently start becoming aware again. Aware of your breathing. You can take your hand away from your heart center, letting yourself be in this space again. Opening your eyes, noticing where you are. And remember to do this often. Check in on yourself, ask yourself how you're feeling, and really reach down into this emotional self. And then try and do things which help your emotional self. Movement, meditation, rest, finding a little joy in each day. Okay, loves, take good care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Bye.